jars. Okay, we don't need this now. I can empty this jar too. Let's pour this out. Oh, I think they'll be happy.
Ew! What is this? Oh, it's just slime. Someone's up to something and he didn't even ask my opinion. Sammy, what was this slime doing on the floor? Whoa, there's a slime flood here.
Sue, I was told by friends of my friends who were told by their friends that there's fairies in town.
What does this have to do with slimes?
We just need these jars. Oh, I know. We can make a whole hotel for fairies out of them.
Sammy, that's a very cool idea. Let's do it, but first, clean up.
I would do anything for fairies.
Hello, everyone. Sam's got a brilliant idea. We're going to make a real hotel for fairies.
A fairy hotel. Oh, hi, guys.
Right. These jars will form the basis. Let's glue them together. Don't forget to be careful working with the hot glue. The jars have different shapes and dimensions. This way, the hotel's going to look like one in a fairy tale. Sam, what are you doing?
Phew! Cardboard pieces, of course.
Yeah, Sammy can cut cardboard with his eyes closed. We'll use these parts to make the roof and the walls.
You know, Sue, it doesn't look so fairy for now.
Oh, Sammy, don't worry. Your fairies will definitely stay at our hotel. This is just the base. We've got a lot of work to do. Da-da, da-da-da.
Oh, I got it. We're gonna cover it with cardboard and then color.
No, Sammy. This craft is something between sculpture, architecture, and art. I'm telling ya, it's just the base for the fairy house. It's very important to make it stable. One thing at a time, all right? Just please don't get ahead of yourself.
You captured my attention. I'm gonna cut more cardboard. It calms me.
Yeah, Sammy's kind of on edge today. By the way, you can help him calm down with a thumbs up. Give one. Sam likes cutting, and I like gluing cardboard pieces together. One petal next to another, this way. I've almost finished making the roof bases for this tower.
I cut these for the towers. Look, I'm a magician.
Sammy, you're a dreamer. But these cones are perfect. Let's glue them on the towers. Our hotel's base is almost ready. Let's add some glue on the jar's cap. This way. Good. And attach the cone roof. Now we're going to do some art magic.
You're beating around the bush, Sue.
Not at all. What do you know about sculpture, Sammy?
It's sculpted. Oh, the cannoli! I got it! Let's sculpt.
Guys, to make this craft, we'll need paper clay and these tools.
Sue, it's even better than I imagined. A real stone house.
Exactly. Let's get started. Take some clay. All right. And apply it carefully on the roof. This way.
Sue, I've got a question.
Yes, Sammy, tell me.
Maleficent is a fairy, right?
Well, yeah.
Sue!
What?
Shouldn't fairies be small and invisible?
Oh. According to some legends, fairies aren't tiny creatures but invisible spirits who can transform into people. Even small fairies can become big if they want.
You know, Sue, you are suspiciously well aware of fairies. Are you one of them by any chance?
Oh, it's possible, Sammy. How do you think I got magic craft powers?
Huh, it's still strange. Why didn't I notice it before? I'm gonna prepare treats.
Yes, our guests might be hungry after the trip. Guys, do you believe in fairies? Give a thumbs up down there if you do. First, I advise you to cut out the windows and the door. because the clay sets very quickly, and later you won't be able to change anything. Let's make a little window in the front door. Carefully. This stage needs patience. To smooth the surface, wet your hands in water. Or sprinkle some water with a spray bottle.
So, would you like a jelly?
Oh, thanks, Sammy.
Aha, interesting.
What? What are you up to, Sam? That's strange. Anyway, let's continue covering the house with clay. Good. And I'll place this here.
Sue, your favorite color is green, isn't it?
Yeah.
Aha.
Sammy, what are you writing there?
I'm doing research.
Oh, I guess I got it. Sam's trying to figure out if I'm a fairy. Sometimes I think I might be. My hands are magic, that's for sure. I think I can play along with him. In the meantime, we're at the finish line. It's the last tower to be covered!
Well, your house looks magic. That means she has magic skills.
Guys, check out the hotel we made! Let's cut out a few more windows. All right, and add some magic.
I think I'm on the threshold of a great discovery. Fairies can pretend to be people.
Now let's make little logs out of the clay, just like those you can see in the country or forest houses. I think a forester or a hunter could live in a hut like this.
Or a witch.
Ooh, right. An old witch cooking her potions and collecting magic herbs. Actually, I wish I had a house in a forest.
Oh, she wants to have a house in the forest to make potions.
I think he bought it. Sammy, can you help me?
Yes, Sue, how can I help?
Could you make the roof, please? It's easy. Here, I'll show you.
Huh, she's very polite and kind. Yes, Sue, sure I can.
You should do this.
Got it. Look. Sue, don't you think something's missing?
What do you mean? Looks perfect to me.
Susie, you have some fairy dust in your eyes? Frames! You forgot window frames!
Oh, Sam, right you are. Let's make the window frames. Before, they were just invisible. But now, I'm gonna put a spell and you'll see them all.
You can't trick me, Susie. You just forgot 'em.
That's right, it's hard to fool you. Let's add some more details. Like this. It'll seem like the basement's made of stone. This way. I'd like to stay in a house like this too.
Sue, our fairy hotel has so many windows, we can host a whole delegation.
By the way, how many fairies are we expecting?
I think around 10. Oh, my feta! Sue, I have to make more treats!
Don't worry, Sammy, we have a lot of things. I like the house we made, but that's not all. Here's the most interesting part. Let's make our gray house colorful.
Oh, that's my favorite stage.
By the way, Sammy, how's your research?
Well, I figured out something.
That I'm a fairy?
Sue, how did you know? That was secret research.
You don't hide well, Sammy. I'm not a fairy.
Are you sure? You fit in all respects.
I am sure. Although there could be fairies in the family.
Really? So I was right!
Maybe. Let's keep coloring the house. Guys, do you like coloring? I love it. I had lots of coloring books when I was little. This is kind of a new level. Do you want to paint the roof?
I'm ready. Coloring roofs is my calling.
Would you mind if I help you, Sammy?
Nope. I really need your help because I still have to finish one thing. But don't ask me. It's a secret.
Oh, okay. I'll finish myself. Your enthusiasm vanishes so quickly. Ugh. Guys, don't forget to turn the notifications on. Tink the bell.
Tinkerbell? Are they already here? But nothing's ready.
Oh, no, Sammy. I just reminded our viewers to subscribe.
Phew. I'm having a nervous breakdown.
Don't worry. Check out this beautiful house.
Oh, wow. I'd love to live in a house like this.
Oh, sorry, Sam. You won't fit. Will you show me what you prepared?
Yep, it's time. So, I was thinking a forest house should be in a forest.
Where can we find a forest?
Here! I made a little grove so our guests can feel at home.
Whoa! It's genius, Sammy! You're a very gracious host. You made a great grove.
Oh, now it is perfect. Come on, Sue, the fairies are here. Bye, guys. Do you think they'll like it?
No doubt.